Which youth first base glove is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right one. Today, I've got 5 gloves that really stand out for young players. Product number 1, Rawlings Player Preferred. First up is the Rawlings Player Preferred Adult Ball Glove, priced at $59.77. The moment I saw this glove, I appreciated its classic design and sturdy feel. If you want a reliable mitt that's game-ready, this is worth a serious look. The 12.5-inch adult first base mitt is perfect for recreational baseball and slow-pitch softball, which makes it versatile for young players trying different styles. It features a single-post double bar web, ensuring that it's easy to catch and control the ball. The full-grain leather provides durability that can withstand tough games, while the zero-shock palm padding protects your hand from hard hits. With an adjustable wrist strap, you can customize the fit for maximum comfort. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're just starting or a bit more advanced, this glove gives you the confidence to play without worrying about your gear. Now, some people complained about the break-in period being longer than expected, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, with its game-ready feel and 80% factory break-in, many find that it's manageable and worth the trade-off for the quality you get in return. This is perfect for you if you're a youth player looking for a reliable glove that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for something lightweight and super easy to break in. For the price, you're getting solid value. Now, if the break-in period of the Rawlings Player Preferred bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rawlings Select Pro Light Youth. Next is the Rawlings Select Pro Light Youth Baseball Glove, currently priced at $73.66. This glove grabbed my attention with its pro player design inspired by MLB stars. If you want something that helps your child learn the game effectively, this is worth a serious look. This glove is designed specifically for youth, featuring a pro taper fit, which means a smaller hand opening and lowered finger stalls, perfect for young hands. The lightweight design allows for easy closing and control, which is essential for kids just mastering their catching skills. With a ready-to-play break-in level, it's 90% factory ready, meaning they can start using it right out of the box, which is a huge plus for busy parents. This ensures your child can focus on learning and playing without the hassle of spending hours breaking in a new glove. Some users mentioned that it could feel a bit stiff initially, but honestly, a little break-in is normal with any glove, and given how quickly this one is ready to use, it's not too much of an issue. It's still a fantastic glove for developing players. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a glove that helps your child feel like a pro while they learn. Skip this one if your child has exceptionally large hands, as it might not provide that perfect fit. For the features and performance, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for the younger players who need a glove that's truly game-ready. Product number 3, Rawlings Renegade Youth. Coming in at number 3 is the Rawlings Renegade Youth Baseball Glove, priced at $51.99. This glove stood out because of its impressive performance and durability, which is crucial for young athletes. If you want something that can take a beating and still perform well, this is worth a serious look. Designed for youth players, this glove features a leather shell palm, providing a professional feel and durability. The cushioned palm and index finger pads offer added comfort and impact protection, which is essential when your kid is just getting used to catching fast-moving balls. With its game-ready status, it comes 90% broken in, meaning your child can jump right into the action without a long wait. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows young athletes to focus on their game instead of worrying about whether their glove is up to the task. Some buyers reported that the glove can feel a bit bulky for smaller hands. But here's the deal. For many young players, the added padding actually helps them catch better, and with the right size, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a tough glove that stands up to the rigors of youth baseball. Skip this one if your child prefers a more streamlined glove, as it might feel a bit too much for them. For the value, you're getting a solid mitt that should last through the season. Now, if the bulkiness of the Renegade isn't what you're looking for, the next one has a much sleeker design. Product number 4, Rawlings Select Pro Light Youth Alternative. Next on our list is the Rawlings Select Pro Light Youth Baseball Glove again, but a slightly different model priced at $69.95. This option caught my eye for its similar features to the previous one, but with minor enhancements. If your child needs a glove that feels like it's made for the pros, this is worth a serious look. Just like its counterpart, this glove is inspired by professional players, offering a perfect fit that suits young athletes. It maintains the lightweight design for easy control and closing, making it a great choice for those still mastering their catching techniques. With a break-in level of 90% factory ready, your child can quickly get on the field and start playing. This glove not only looks but feels professional, a huge confidence booster for any young player. A few users mentioned that the glove may not have enough padding for some, especially during high-impact catches. But honestly, many young players appreciate the lightweight feel, and it can enhance their ability to catch and throw with ease. This is perfect for you if your child thrives on feeling like they're using professional gear. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavily padded, as it might not meet those expectations. Considering its price and features, it's a solid choice for young aspiring players. Now, if you're still looking for something different in design and feel, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, Rawlings Sandlot Baseball Glove. Last but not least is the Rawlings Sandlot Baseball Glove, priced at $79.99. This glove immediately caught my attention with its classic feel and premium materials. If you want something that combines durability with comfort, this is worth a serious look. The full-grain old leather gives it a luxurious look and adds durability for long-term use, while the zero-shock palm pads offer extra protection on impact. It comes mostly broken in, so your child can start using it right away without needing an extensive break-in period. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows kids to focus on their game and not worry about their gear. Some buyers have mentioned that the price is a bit higher compared to similar options. But I'll be real with you, this glove's quality and durability might actually save you money in the long run since it can withstand more wear and tear. This is perfect for you if you want a glove that's built to last and provides great feel and control. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as there are cheaper options that still perform well. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for serious young players. So to wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic youth first base gloves today. The Rawlings Player Preferred is great for a classic feel, while the Select Pro Light options offer a professional touch. If you're looking for something tough, the Renegade is an excellent pick. The second Select Pro Light is similar but refined, and finally, the Sandlot glove combines luxury and durability. No matter which one you choose, each of these gloves can support your young athlete on the field.